Hey guys, welcome to my tutorial. Actually, one thing I would like to share that I don't know maximum coding, but I want to learn the things. Okay, and I want to start with some creating a form and store the data in database. So let's start with some search and all. So here I have added this save form data in database in MySQL PHP. Okay, this I searched and I got some result. Let's start with some first link. Okay, in the beginning only I told you that I don't know the coding, but I want to learn the things. So how we are going to do it and all. So already I have installed XAMPP, and in XAMPP htdocs is the main folder, and here I have created one my project folder. Okay, this project folder I am going to open with the VS Code. This installation of VS Code also I told, like right click open that folder with VS Code. This option how to make it enable and all, just to go through my previous videos and check for that. And here I will create one basic file, that is index.html. So here it is created. Just I want to create one HTML document. Here I'll select HTML5 and press enter. So this is the main structure of the HTML form, is not form, HTML document is been created. So I will save this and let's check with that. Before that we have to run XAMPP. So here it started. So if we are dealing with database, then we have to start MySQL as well as Apache, which is a local server. So this okay, it is open now. So we'll start with the procedure how they are telling and all. PHP code insert or store into MySQL data form. That is first thing, create a database connection file, create HTML form, and create insert.php file to insert the data into database using PHP script. Okay, for first create a database connection file, that is this code we have to use, like a root, and mydb is the db name, password is null. So this code I will directly copy. This I copied. con.php I will create and paste this code over here. I think it is not copied. Okay, here this database we have to create. So for that I'll go in localhost php myadmin. So I'll click on new. It is not like you have to take the same name, you can take anything like my project. Okay, I'll create it. The same thing we have to update in a code also. So let me explain a little bit about the code. First, it is a local host is a server name, root and password we are mentioning, and $con MySQL connect. It is connecting. It will connect this local server to the database. Okay, first it is taking server name, username, password, and DB name. And if connection is success, it will connect, or else if dies, could not connect to MySQL server. So if I check this project 1, if I make it project 1, so if I run this code, it will show that it is not connecting. Okay, so I will save this. Next is that this is the code, this we have added already there. And next, create a HTML form. Okay, this I'm going to take copy completely, which I have added in okay, index.html. I'll add this, save. And next thing, that create insert.php. Insert.php, I have to create that file. Here I is capital, I will take it as a small. So this is the code for inserting the data. Let me explain this code also. So include once db.php. This is a con.php I have added there, so I can add this as a con.php. and post is the method which we are using to submit from the form. Okay, from there we are collecting name, email, mobile number, and we are inserting it into a users table, their name, email, and mobile. So variables values are name, $email. This we are taking it from the post method, and we are inserting into the users table. Okay, this table we have to create. Okay, this table we have to create, and all these things are variable characters. So let's create the database. Database is already created, so let's add one column over there. Okay, name, email, and mobile number, three are the columns, and users is the database table name. Okay, here I will create it. For each column we have to add the details. So here name, email, and mobile, these are the column names. So name, email, and mobile. Name, email, and mobile. So next thing is that we have to take it as a variable character. So I'll take it maximum to 25, and email also I will take it maximum to 50, and mobile number I will take it to 11. Okay, then nothing we have to do is that just we have to save this. Okay, one more column we can add, that after every insertion one ID we can generate, that name, email, mobile number. This is structure, browse. Here you can see no data is added. So in structure I will go and click on ID, that after at the beginning of table I'll click on go. I'll take it as a ID, and integer. Here just one thing, that I will select it as auto increment, and it automatically selects it as a primary key. Okay, now whenever we insert any data, it will be incremented by 1. Okay, it is taking automatically integer and default as 11. So now next thing is that, okay, conclusion, this we have to add there. So let's start with the testing now. Localhost and put my, let's check the project folder name, my underscore project, my underscore project, my underscore project. Press enter. This form which we have copied the code, so now it is taking name. I will add Vilas vmp vilas at gmail.com and mobile number. Okay, next I'll submit this. So let's check with the database. Okay, it is not added, in the sense, let's check with the code what is the issue now. Okay, here one thing, that if it is not submitted also, it doesn't mean that that code is not working, but the thing is that something might be wrong there. Here in form we have not saved this, we have to save this first, and con.php, it is also added. So .php it is taking. So next part is what, in index action form is there, insert.php. Okay, everything is fine now. So let's test with, once again, Vilas Patil Vilas at gmail.com. Okay, new record added has been added successfully. Now let's check with the records over here. Let's browse this. So here you can see Vilas Patil is the name. Email I think why it is taking 0, I don't know, but it is taking mobile number. Let's check with adding one more detail. Okay, I will click on submit. Let's check with the record why it is not adding. It is taking email as a 0. And let's check with the record. Email spelling is correct, email, email. So let's check in code. Insert.php connection email, $email is the email, mobile name, email. Okay, here let me explain this form for you. Okay, this is a contact form. Please fill this form. This is the basic thing, one paragraph we have taken, and form. In form we are taking it as a method, and action page we have taken as a insert.php. If it is a submit, and name and values are submit, when we click on the submit button, we are calling this action page. Okay, that is insert.php. What it does, it collects the form data. And because we are using it as a post method, as a post, so it will collect the data from post name, email and mobile number. Okay, let's check with the email. Okay, form control email, everything is fine. Don't know why it is inserting 0, but here it is okay. Okay, now here what it does, it is collecting all the details and $SQL insert. This is standard code. We are defining the database table and values we are defining which to store, and if MySQL connection is SQL, Okay, $con is SQL, then echo new record has been added successfully, else error. Okay, so MySQL error, by using this command we are printing the error over there. MySQL close, we are closing the command over there. Okay, but name, email and mobile, name, email and mobile, it should take actually. Everything is fine. I think I did a mistake there. Yes, okay, I have taken, means if we have not mentioned anything, then it is taking means predefined is the integer, so automatically it has taken 50, 50 and 11 I have mentioned there, but I have not changed the integer type. Okay, I have to change these things. So just I will select this and I'll change to varchar, that is a variable characters. Now let's check with this one. Okay, it is submitted successfully, and now let's check the result over here. So yep, it is working fine now. Okay, now let's begin with some JavaScript. Okay, JavaScript and how to do the validation, form validations and all. So everything is here only, nothing I am doing something that I am writing a code and all, just basic thing that I am going to search the things and integrate it in a code. So I have to add one JavaScript over there. Okay, some code I will check, CSS, JavaScript, and to check. Okay, not getting any JavaScript code over here. Just wait for a second. So one phrase I got, that JavaScript document ready on click function. Okay, this will check. Okay, this is for Ajax. Okay, this code will take. Okay, now here I will type script. Here I will add the script document ready function, but this I'm going to remove. Okay, this I'm going to remove, and btn is there. This is the id. Hash stands for id. So here I will take one id equal to btn. Save it. Okay, on click function form date, and here we have to take id for name. Id equal to name, same id, email, so this is all as set. On click this button, this val equal to null, val are taken. So here okay, alert. Okay, this is form 1 are taken. Name I will take. Okay, if name is null, then we are alerting please enter name. Think something is wrong. Equal to. So here I think here we have to take the condition that if okay, then this will work. Oh sorry, I have taken if condition in wrong place. I don't know the coding, so I'm struggling with this. So this could be the condition. If this is the condition, alert, and this we have to take focus. It is the end of the code. Okay, now let's check with the output. Okay, here I'll refresh it. If I click on submit, oh no, I think something went wrong. We have to include the CDN file. Okay, JavaScript CDN link. Okay, this is this library we have to include. Okay, jQuery. Okay, okay, where to add JavaScript CDN link in HTML. Okay, this script we can add it in a header. Okay, like this link is there. I'll add this script over here, save, and we have to check this whether it is included or not. If we do network, okay, jQuery JS is added. If I click see here, now form validation is done for only name, but return focus is there. It is after submitting automatically it is navigating, so we have to stop that. So now just return false. I will add here, and we are returning false and we are focusing on the same field. Okay, let's check with the result. Okay, submit. If I click OK, it should stay on this page and it is targeting, it is focusing on the name field. Okay, same we will repeat this for if this I'll copy, paste it, name, email, paste, and same I will add it for paste, mobile, number. Okay, now let's test with the result. I'll submit it. Please enter name, Vilas Patil I have added. Now submit. Please enter email, vilas@gmail.com, and click please enter mobile number. After each fields validated, now it is submitted successfully. Here friends, actually I was not knowing any coding, just I gone through, I have some basic knowledge regarding this, but for this video, for those people will be the motivational, or some may scold me or say negative points about me, but the thing is that by performing like this you can have the knowledge, you can gain the knowledge. Some small projects you start creating, automatically it will build the confidence level. Okay, now I just shown inserting. Next in next video I will show you how to delete data and update data, and for JavaScript validation we are using the input null, means empty field validations we have done. Okay, but for email validations and all, how we can do the email validations, lots of things I'm going to explain in next videos. Please watch those videos, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys, thank you for watching. See you in next video.